Hi everybody, welcome for another Crafting with Kimberly. Today I've got a project for you. It's not really a craft, but we are going to be making something. So if you haven't watched it yet, make sure that you have watched Lauren's video on butter making. If you watch that, you'll learn all about the process and you get to see the butter churn at the Vance birthplace. So we are actually going to make some butter at home today, and I'm just using supplies that I had at my house. I've got a small mason jar here. This is actually a 4-ounce mason jar, and then I've just got some heavy cream. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be pouring fill this about half full of cream, and then I'm going to be putting the lid on it, and I'm going to shake it. And so I'm basically going to be agitating it the same way that Lauren did in her video with the butter churn. So if you have other sized mason jars, you can use bigger ones, you can use different sizes. The bigger jar you use, you may want to add something like a clean marble to it to help agitate the cream as well. Same thing as the butter churn would do. So I'm going to fill it up, I'm going to shake it. It takes about 10 minutes in a jar this size, and I'm going to stop throughout so that I can show you the process of what's happening inside the jar. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so it has been 4 minutes of me shaking this jar, and my arms are really tired. That only took about 1 minute for me to get tired. So you can turn it into a fun game or exercise. One thing I'll also tell you, parents out there, if you're gonna do this with little ones, you might wanna do it outside. There have been many times at Vance where we gave jars to students and we ended up with broken glass and jars around. So maybe do it outside, tell them to hold on real tight, or you can also use plastic jars as well. So I want to show you what I got here. It's been 4 minutes and we've got whipped cream right now. So I'm getting ready to do it again and keep going, and then I'll show you when we get to the butter. Okay, I'm pretty sure we have butter now. So I did that for about 10 minutes. And I do. Here's some butter. And you can see how it looks a little bit different from what I had even 4 minutes ago. So I've never actually tasted my own butter before, so I'm gonna do that now. Not bad. I like it. I'm gonna put it on some toast. All right, well, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have fun trying to make your own butter.